Reason, I never would have spoken about social issues a few years ago. Reason has revealed his struggles in an industry where different voices aren't guaranteed success. Reason has always pushed the boundaries of hip-hop with subject material that is deeper than your faves. His latest album Azania is testament to this, and taking to Instagram recently, Reason broke down the journey to pushing his music, despite the barriers. Reason said that fact he raps about things that other people don't talk about used to make him think he was crazy to believe that anyone still cared what he had to say. At some point in my career, I started to think I was crazy for thinking anyone would still care about what I have to say. Especially when talking about half the things his latest album, Azania, addresses. This wasn't because I thought I wasn't good enough, but rather, because I wasn't saying or thinking of what everybody else was. He said being different was scary and a real risk in an industry where formulas to success were pretty cut and paste. Once people are used to one thing, you will start questioning if they'll like something different. He acknowledged that he was not pioneering anything or speaking new truths, but likened the process to faith in God. As Sly Cooper put it, God is the result of faith and belief turning into results. Now think about it, why would you need to have faith and belief in something that already exists? Then you're just running on hope. But being in your own head and making that come to life, is God. It's like giving birth. You are the creator of what's inside you. Having it come to life the way you imagined it would when you first realized it was inside you is God. He said his fans validated the God inside him and gave all those who thought and rapped differently a chance. Keep being different and innovative in your work. Your excellence is what people will appreciate, because they will realize your alignment with the God in you. Thanks again for the love. It's inspired me to keep creating differently, he added.